The meaning of a man's caresses. Just the touch of his fingers through your skin can make your hair stand on end. This intimate language goes through the skin. Caresses are passionate and instinctive. It is not by chance that he gives you a specific love detail. It has a meaning, a message that he wants to give you. Find out what it means. 1. Hug. When a man embraces you, he is communicating that he feels comfortable and in confidence at your side. It is an invitation to enter his life, that there is more contact between the two. By hugging you, he breaks the barriers that could separate you. 2. He leans on your shoulder. When he leans his head on your shoulder, enjoys the tranquility of being with you, enjoys your company and wants your attention. He is a man who is not afraid to show you his sensible side. 3. Takes your hand. When he feels he needs you and wants to feel your support, he takes you by the hand. If he also intertwines his fingers with yours, he wants to demonstrate commitment. It is a very noble and affectionate gesture. 4. Caress your hair. You provoke tenderness and he wants to consent you. When he does it in public, he is sending the message that he is very sure of what he feels for you and does not care if everyone finds out. 5. His hand on your neck. By caressing your neck reveals that he has the need to have power in the relationship. It can also be a request for intimacy. He needs you to prove to him that you need him. 6. Caresses your face. This type of affection occurs in couples that have some time together, symbolizes stability and much appreciation. 7. Touches your lips. When he caresses your lips with his fingers, it is a clear signal for you to leave the words aside and go to bed. At that moment, the most important thing for him is intimacy. 8. Caress your butt. When he grabs your butt is a clear sign of marking territory. In his mind, you belong to him. What do you think? 9. Touches your thigh or knee. If he does it under the table, he may be trying to say that it is time to leave that place and that he would prefer to be alone with you. 10. Caresses on the neck. The neck is one of the most sensitive parts of the body that women have, so if he focuses here, what he wants is to get you excited. You know what he is going for. Learn how to get a man to love you. Click or tap below to download this free ebook.